Today, we're diving into Akiflow, a revolutionary online marketing platform designed to optimize your digital presence and maximize your results. Akiflow streamlines your online marketing efforts, making it easier than ever before to reach your audience and achieve your business goals. Throughout this video, we'll be taking a look at Akiflow's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options to help you decide whether or not Akiflow is right for you. Let's take a look at this program's main features. Social media management. Akiflow enables you to schedule and publish posts across multiple social media platforms, engage with your audience, and analyze performance metrics to optimize your strategy. Email marketing. Reach your audience effectively with Akiflow's email marketing tools, including customizable templates, automated campaigns, and detailed analytics. Website analytics. Gain valuable insights into your website's performance with Akiflow's comprehensive analytics dashboard, allowing you to track visitor behavior, conversion rates, and more. SEO optimization. Improve your website's search engine rankings with Akiflow's SEO optimization tools, including keyword research, content optimization, and competitor analysis. Advertising management. Akiflow simplifies online advertising by allowing you to create and manage ads across various platforms, track ad performance, and optimize campaigns for maximum ROI. Customer support. Benefit from Akiflow's dedicated customer support team, available to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Akiflow offers a range of pricing plans to suit different business needs, starting from $29 per month for basic features and scaling up to $199 per month for advanced features and support. Each plan includes a free trial period, allowing you to test the platform before committing. Experience seamless navigation and intuitive workflow with Akiflow, designed to streamline your online marketing efforts and save you time and effort. Akiflow offers a comprehensive suite of online marketing tools, personalized customer support, and financial pricing plans. However, some users may find the learning curve steep when initially navigating the platform, and additional features may require upgrading to a higher priced plan. Considering alternatives to Akiflow? Explore other online marketing platforms such as HubSpot, MailChimp, Hootsuite, and SEMrush, each offering unique features and pricing options to suit your business needs. So, briefly wrapping things up, Akiflow emerges as a powerful ally in your quest for online marketing success. Sign up for Akiflow today to elevate your digital presence and achieve your business objectives. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more valuable tips and insights. Thank you for watching.